Conversions can be broken down into metric and unit conversions. Metric conversions are conversions between the same base unit, such as kilograms to milligrams, whereas unit conversions, also known as dimensional analysis, are between different units entirely, such as kilograms to pounds. Let's review metric conversions first. Examples of common base units are grams, liters, and meters. Prefixes are used to indicate a multiple of 10 from a base unit. These prefixes and their abbreviations are kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, and milli. Here's a simple mnemonic to help memorize these prefixes. King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk, which I'm going to abbreviate to KHDUDCM. Unusually just represents the base unit. So say I want to convert 5.0 milligrams to decagrams. My base unit is grams. I start at milli and move to deca. Therefore, I will move my decimal place 4 times to the left. So 5.0 milligrams is equal to 0.00050 decagrams. Say I want to convert 12.0 hectometers to decimeters. My base unit this time is meters. I started at hecto and moved to deci. Therefore, I will move my decimal place 3 times to the right. So 12.0 hectometers is equal to 12,000 decimeters. Now, unit conversions, which use conversion factors, are completely different from metric conversions. Conversion factors, also known as unit converters, are equalities, such as 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Now, all equalities can be written as a fraction that equates to 1, such as 1 minute over 60 seconds is equal to 60 seconds over 1 minute, which is equal to 1. In chemistry, unit conversions are not just important for mass, length, or time. It is also extremely important in an area of chemistry called stoichiometry. However, in order to master stoichiometry, you must use the method of conversion and refrain from using proportion. The steps for the method of conversion are: place the given value with its units over 1. Multiply that fraction by the conversion factor, making sure that the units you want to convert to are in the numerator, and the units you were given and want to cancel out are in the denominator. Cancel out the units you were given and calculate your answer, which should now be in the units you want. Let's use a method of conversion to convert between units of length. Given that 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet, I know my conversion factor can be written as the following two fractions. Let's first convert 60.0 feet to meters. For problem 1, I'm going to follow the method of conversion and place the given value, 60.0, with its units, feet, over 1. I'm going to then multiply by the conversion factor, making sure that the units I want to cancel out, which are feet, are at the bottom, and the units I want to convert to, meters, are at the top. Filling my conversion factor correctly, I am multiplying the given value by 1 meter over 3.28 feet. This allows me to cancel out units of feet and end up with the units I want, meters. So 60.0 feet is equal to 18.3 meters. Now let's convert 2.00 meters to feet. For problem 2, I'm going to place 2.00 meters over 1 and multiply by the inverse of the previous conversion factor because I want to cancel out units of meters, giving my answer in units of feet. So 2.00 meters is equal to 6.56 feet. The method of conversion will work for any unit conversion, especially stoichiometry, as long as you remember that any equality can be written as a conversion factor. For more help with chemistry, please subscribe.